Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this food steamer from Hobbs with 2+1 year warranty, brushed stainless steel base, 60-minute timer, 3 steaming baskets with 9-liter capacity. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Eat healthy. So included at the box, of course, we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. .2 meters cable, steam cooks rice, vegetables and fish whilst retaining maximum nutrients and vitamins. 3 steam baskets with 9-liter total capacity, 800 watt of power. The tray, you can remove that. 1.2 liters the maximum capacity. Here it says max. We have a window, we can check the water. At the front we have the 60-minute timer with auto shut off. The light indicator. At this area we have warning. It's getting too hot. It is the heating element. Here we have the 2 water inlets. Here and here. Stylish and easy to clean brushed stainless steel base all around. I like it. Includes 1-liter bowl for cooking rice and 6 egg holders in each basket. Here it is the egg holder. We have this small gap. I will show you later. Stackable baskets for easy storage. We have the lid. Nice, so convenient. And you can have it at your refrigerator wherever you want. The baskets, they have 3 different dimensions. So they need to fit one to the other. 3, 1, 2. We have numbers here, so you can understand where each basket goes. I like it. There it is. Okay, I need to insert in this plastic. Perfect. Complete, we have the steam cooker. The rice container, 1 liter the capacity. At the base we have 4 rubber feet. It will stay very secure, the steam cooker, at any surface. And I think next step is prepare our ingredients and start cooking. First I have the potatoes. Cooking time it is 21 to 23 minutes. Slice to small pieces 1 to 2 centimeters. Next it is the carrots. Cooking time 17 to 19 minutes. Slice in small pieces 1 centimeter thick. And we have last the broccoli at the 3rd basket. Cooking time it is 13 to 15 minutes. Slice in small pieces 2 centimeters. I think it is quite thick, so we will see the results. I need to add water. Here we can check and the water capacity, 1.2 liters. It is on maximum. The lid, and I will start the cooking time on 22 minutes. We can see the LED light that is on. These foods are best cooked using the steamer from cold. And we can hear the sound from the steam. Now some tips for your food safety. Don't worry too much about overcooking. Steaming is a relatively gentle cooking method and few minutes extra generally won't matter. Whenever possible, for better cooking and faster cooking, use single layers of food or one basket. When layering food in a basket, leave spaces between the pieces in each layer to let the steam circulate through the layers. Then you will have better results. Uniformly cut foods will steam more evenly. Stir food halfway through a longer steam cycle for more even steaming. And finish. Now let's check, starting with the broccoli. No, we need more. And for the carrots, we need more. So let's remove the carrots and broccoli and see the potatoes. Potatoes are fine. Yep, I am okay with the results. So I'm going to steam again the carrots with the broccoli. Remove from the basket the potatoes. Insert the carrots here. Then the broccoli at the second. And I think they need about more or less 8 minutes. And this is the end. Now let's check again for the broccoli. Yep, now it is okay. Ooh, are so hot. And the carrot, wow. Nice, I like it. If you slice them in smaller pieces, you will get faster results. Now, after cooking the potato, the carrots and the broccoli, we can see the water at the tray. I need to remove that. And we can see how it looks inside. We need more water, the heating element. And now it's time for the rice and the eggs. First, the eggs at the right position. Cooking times for the eggs, soft it is 5 to 6 minutes, medium 7 to 8 minutes, hard 9 to 10 minutes, and well done 11 to 12 minutes. If you want, you can cook the eggs only, or I can add another basket with the rice. There's the rice. And of course I need water at the rice. 1 cup rice, 2 cup water. Maximum it is 1 liter. Cooking time for the rice, it is 15 to 20 minutes. It depends the type of the rice. I have chosen to have the eggs at the first basket because the cooking time it is less compared with the rice. And because the rice I can see the results live, but the eggs it is difficult. The following foods included and the eggs should be cooked once steam is being produced by your steamer. So I need to remove all that, start the steamer, but because I want my eggs well done, 10 minutes, it is okay. Then after finishing the 10 minutes, again another 10 minutes, maybe 8 minutes for the rice. Okay, we have the steam. Perfect. Let's wait. And finish the process. So now I would like to test the eggs if are boiled very well. Oh, are so hot. Okay, I think it is nice, well done. That is perfect. Well cooked. I like it. So now let's move on at the rice, removing all the eggs. Rice, it needs more cooking time. Another 10 minutes. Foods that require longer cooking times should be placed in lower steaming baskets. Place foods that require gentle steaming or shorter cooking times in higher baskets. You need to experiment to find the times in which suit your favorite foods and food combinations. In the end, you will have the best results. Okay, finish. Let's see the rice. I think we need more. Maybe because in the first time was together with the eggs. I will have it another 10 minutes and then check again. And finish. Okay, wow. Nice. We have some water inside, so you need to find the ratio between rice and water. Let's taste it. It is well cooked, I like it. And after 30 minutes, the rice is dry. I like it. And the eggs. Eat healthy with the power of the steam. Cook vegetables, fresh food like eggs, chicken breast, salmon, flat white fish, steak fish and more, with a cost of 35 euros only. I like the results of my food. Using this steam cooker for a long time, I have found the right cooking times and have the best results. Experimental with the food and you will be the best. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.